You're gliding through the infinite expanse of space, stars twinkling like distant lanterns guiding your path. You're an explorer, venturing beyond the known boundaries of our planet, reaching for the unknown. Welcome to the world of space exploration, a realm that has captivated humanity's imagination for generations. Space is not just a void, it's a canvas of mysteries. And today, we've uncovered some of its most awe-inspiring secrets. Our first remarkable discovery transports us back to the year 1995, when astronomers aimed the Hubble Space Telescope at an unremarkable piece of sky. For 10 days, the telescope captured light from that patch, resulting in the Hubble Deep Field image. This image, my friends, is nothing short of miraculous. It showed us thousands of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, all in a slice of sky no bigger than a grain of sand held at arm's length. But why is this significant? Just imagine the implications if such a small speck of the sky holds this many galaxies. What does that say about the scale of our universe? It's a realization that humbles us, reminding us of our tiny spot in the vast cosmic ocean. Now, fast forward to 2012, as the Curiosity rover made its groundbreaking landing on Mars. It's not just the 7 minutes of terror landing sequence that was a feat of engineering. Since its arrival, Curiosity has been a roving laboratory, analyzing samples of Martian soil and rock, sniffing the air, and looking for clues about the red planet's past.
Nav filter converge. Velocity solution 3.3 meters per second. Altitude 7.4 kilometers.
And guess what it found? Evidence of ancient streambeds, proving that water, an essential ingredient for life as we know it, once flowed on Mars. This discovery tantalizes us with the possibility that Mars could have once harbored life, or that it could in the future. It really changes our perspective on life beyond Earth, doesn't it? As you absorb these groundbreaking discoveries, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button. It helps a lot more than you might think, and it tells me you're interested in the mysteries of our universe. Let's keep exploring together. Next, let's dive into the realm of exoplanets, those planets beyond our solar system. Kepler-22b was the first confirmed exoplanet to orbit within the habitable zone of a sun-like star, discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope in 2011. This zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. And where there's water, there might just be life. Kepler-22b, located about 600 light-years away, could have the right conditions for life, as we've never known it to thrive. Its discovery has ushered in a new era of searching for Earth-like worlds, challenging our long-held view that Earth is unique in its ability to support life. And just when you think you've heard it all, in 2016, scientists detected something truly bizarre: gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time itself, an idea first predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity over a century ago. This discovery opened up a whole new window into understanding the cosmos. We're not just seeing the universe, we're feeling it. Gravitational waves come from cataclysmic events, like the merging of two black holes. And now, with instruments like LIGO and Virgo, we can detect these waves, adding a new layer to our comprehension of the cosmic dance. Continuing with our list of remarkable discoveries, in 2019, humanity laid its eyes on something it was never meant to see: a black hole. Yes, the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of 8 synchronized radio telescopes, provided the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon. This is the point of no return, where the gravitational pull is so extreme that not even light can escape. The black hole resides in the galaxy M87, and witnessing this shadow against the backdrop of hot gas circling the abyss is a profound reminder of the fearsome forces at play in the cosmos. Did you know that the black hole in M87 is colossal, with a mass 6.5 billion times that of our Sun? Let that sink in for a moment. This discovery not only confirms that black holes indeed reside at the centers of galaxies, something long suspected by scientists, but it also confirms aspects of Einstein's theories in the most extreme environments imaginable. These pictures of the shadowy edges offer a glimpse into the extremes of physics, where the deformation of space-time and extreme gravity challenge our understanding. Indeed, black holes push the limits of our physics, and yet they're not the only denizens of the deep cosmos that bend our comprehension. Pulsars, or spinning neutron stars, were first discovered in 1967 by Jocelyn Bell Burnell and her advisor Anthony Hewish. These rapidly rotating remnants of supernova explosions emit a lighthouse-like beam of electromagnetic radiation observable from Earth, which we can perceive as a regular pulsing signal. Pulsars serve as cosmic beacons, and their regularity helps astronomers measure cosmic distances with exquisite precision. What's more, pulsars have led to the first indirect evidence of gravitational waves. So when we scrutinize these enigmatic objects, we're also probing the very foundations of the universe. Let's sail further into the cosmic sea and set our sights on the dwarf planet, Pluto. The New Horizons mission in 2015 redefined our view of this icy world. It was demoted from its planetary status when the International Astronomical Union redefined what it means to be a planet in our solar system. However, New Horizons showed us that Pluto is more than a mere speck of rock and ice. It's a dynamic world with mountains as high as the Rockies and plains of nitrogen ice that seem to be constantly flowing and shifting. Its signature heart-shaped glacier, named Sputnik Planitia, particularly baffles scientists. Such geological activity in a world so small and so far from the sun was utterly unexpected, demonstrating that even in the cold, distant reaches of the solar system, wonders abound that can astonish the most seasoned space scientists. Speaking of wonders, don't miss out on the chance to join our growing community of stargazers and space enthusiasts by subscribing. It's just one click away, and you'll get notified about the latest and greatest in space discovery content. We'd love to hear from you in the comments as well. What discoveries in space have left you in awe? Let's move closer to home for a moment. Our moon. For centuries, it's held a place of significance in our stories and cultures. But did we fully understand our own satellite? Not quite. Water on the moon, once thought to be non-existent, has been confirmed in recent years. Initially believed to be present only in permanently shadowed craters where ice could survive the harsh lunar conditions, we now know that water molecules are more widely distributed across the moon's surface. Understanding the distribution of lunar water is vital for the future of human space exploration as we look to establish a sustainable presence on the moon. This could provide resources for life support and fuel, changing the dynamics of future space travel. Finally, let's contemplate the cosmic spectacle of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These violent eruptions from the sun fling massive quantities of charged particles across the solar system. When these particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they trigger awe-inspiring auroras. But they can also disrupt our technology, affecting satellites, power grids, and radio communications. By studying these solar phenomena, we enhance our ability to predict space weather and safeguard our orbital and terrestrial infrastructure. Every scribble in the astronomical ledger tells us a tale of wonder and hints at a story yet to be uncovered. Space exploration is not just about finding new worlds. It's about understanding the forces that shape them, about unwrapping the physics that govern the universe, and unraveling the threads of our own existence. From the vast canvas of intergalactic discoveries to the fine details hidden on planetary bodies within our own celestial neighborhood, each finding is a pen stroke in the larger narrative of cosmic exploration. As such, your engagement in this narrative is essential. Your curiosity, comments, and eagerness to delve into the vast unknown alongside us propel this journey forward. So let's continue to explore, to question, and to marvel, because every star, every planet, and every quantum fluctuation holds another secret waiting to be discovered. And remember, for every like, share, and subscription, you're adding momentum to our shared odyssey into the cosmos. Keep looking up. The sky's not the limit. It's just the beginning.